The Galaxy Fold series by Samsung pioneered the market for folding phones, for which they deserve commendation. However, the absence of any alternatives in the market for years has left us eagerly anticipating the emergence of competing options. Well, not anymore, because the Google Pixel Fold is right here. Google is placing its bets on a fresh hinge design, which is anticipated to be promoted as the most long-lasting one for a phone of this kind, alongside some innovative Google camera features. Nevertheless, the most significant aspect of the Pixel Fold is its use of a streamlined version of Android optimized especially for folding phones. Therefore, the question arises whether it will surpass the Galaxy Z Fold 4 or not, so let's check it out.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say? An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer videos simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which altogether create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands of completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Unfolded, the Pixel Fold could easily be mistaken for any other Pixel device. This includes the main camera strip on the reverse. The Pixel Fold by Google aims to resolve a major issue that many people have with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is that Samsung Foldable can sometimes feel unwieldy when used as a standard phone while closed. This is due to the thickness and the shape of its cover screen, which is noticeably narrower than the screen of a typical phone. Google has implemented some noteworthy upgrades in both aspects of the Pixel Fold. The device's external display spans 5.8 inches and it's considerably broader than that of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This should provide users with a more intuitive experience while using apps and navigating through the phone's interface. As the rumor suggested, the design of the Pixel Fold bears a closer resemblance to the Oppo Find N2 than to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, the Pixel Fold boasts a similar profile when unfolded, although it still feels bulkier than a standard phone when folded. The Pixel Fold's hinge enables it to shut it completely with no gap present, resulting in a sleeker and more streamlined appearance when folded compared to the Z Fold. Both foldable devices are water resistant with an IPX8 rating. Anyway, the stylus gives a whole new user experience on Galaxy Z Fold 4 and all, giving a full point to Z Fold 4. However, upon opening the Pixel Fold, one might notice that the bezels encompassing the 7.6-inch inner display are thicker than those on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Additionally, the crease on the Pixel Fold is visible, much like on the Z Fold 4, but it's more or less the same in terms of visibility. Both the Pixel Fold and Z Fold 4 come with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate to deliver smooth scrolling, but the Z Fold 4 has a slightly lower resolution compared to the Pixel Fold. The Pixel Fold is equipped with all the hardware components that one would anticipate in a premium phone. Notably, the device features a triple camera setup that comprises a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 10.8-megapixel telephoto lens capable of 5x optical zoom and 20x digital zoom, and a 10.8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Now, you may be questioning why the Pixel Fold, which carries a steep price tag, does not possess a camera system as advanced as the Pixel 7 Pro. With advanced AI technology, these are just a number for Pixel users, so no matter what type of picture you capture, AI will take care of everything. As per Brian Rakowski, Google had to make certain compromises to integrate the camera sensors into the Pixel Fold slim frame, which measures less than 6mm when opened. Rakowski explained that this presented a significant engineering challenge to accommodate all the components. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 features a triple lens camera system. Its primary 50-megapixel lens, which comes with a wide f-stop 1.8 sensor and dual-pixel PDAF autofocus, is the standout component. Accompanying it is a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an f-stop 2.4 aperture that enables 3x optical zoom and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens with an f-stop 2.2 aperture. As is typical of Samsung's camera systems, the Z Fold 4 produces vibrant colors with a heavy emphasis on contrast. So overall, both camera performs pretty well, but you will get some extra benefits from the Google Pixel Fold due to having advanced AI in it. The Pixel Fold runs on the Google Tensor G2 processor, an improved version of the Tensor chip that first appeared in the Pixel 6 and is also featured in the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. The previous models demonstrated snappy scrolling and smoother multitasking, giving us reason to expect similar performance from the Pixel Fold. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is way above in terms of performance, boasting a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and 12GB of RAM. This combination makes multitasking smooth and effortless, and it can handle demanding apps and tasks without any noticeable lag or delay. Even when it comes to activities such as watching YouTube videos or playing games with high-quality graphics, the phone performs seamlessly without any stuttering or slowing down. However, it's worth noting that extended use can lead to the device heating up. According to Google, the Pixel Fold's battery life can last for more than 24 hours on a single charge and can even extend up to 72 hours in extreme battery saver mode. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has a 4400 mAh battery, which might not be sufficient for a device with a larger display like the Fold, but it still manages to provide a day's worth of battery life. So with both devices, you can enjoy a full day of productivity effortlessly. As for the price, both Pixel Fold and Galaxy Z Fold 4 come with an almost similar price tag. Both devices start with $1,800 price tag, and that is anything but affordable. In conclusion, both the Pixel Fold and Galaxy Z Fold 4 are impressive foldable devices that push the boundaries of what we expect from smartphones. The Pixel Fold addresses some of the concerns users have had with foldable phones, such as the unwieldy feel of the Z Fold 4 when used as a standard phone. It also boasts a more expansive external display and a slim profile when unfolded. However, it does come with some compromises, such as thicker bezels and a less advanced camera system compared to the other Pixel devices. Meanwhile, the Z Fold 4 delivers outstanding performance, a triple-lens camera system, and a day's worth of battery life. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.